So hi, I'm Mark, this is Mark's Tech Vlogs on YouTube, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video of a Lenovo curved display. And this is probably the biggest thing I've ever unboxed on his channel. So I'm just going to move the camera down so you can see the box and we'll see what you get inside. Okay, so this is the Lenovo D32QC-20. It's a curved monitor with a 31.5-inch screen. You can probably see a cat as well, who I'm sure is going to get into the video. So let's unbox it and see what you get inside. So we've got an Allen key and some screws, which I guess we're going to use to attach the stand. We've got all of the warranty and instruction stuff. We've got the energy certificate, so it's B rated, which is really good, especially as I thought it was going to be a D. We've got the back of the stand, and I think this is the stand just here, so it's a nice hefty metal stand. We'll take that out there in a second. We've got a HDMI cable. We've got a power cable. We've got the rest of the stand, and then if we just undo this and lift out this big bit of polystyrene, and then we've got the display itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all of this set up and I'll show you guys. Okay, and here it is all plugged in and set up. Now this thing is massive, which you probably can gather by the keyboard on the desk. It kind of shows the scale, but let me just show you a couple of things that are really cool. So firstly, the bezels around this thing are really small, which is great because it just gives it that really modern feel. Of course, the chin at the bottom is slightly thicker, which I think you'd expect, but it's also pretty thin. And if I come around this way, you can see the curve of it as well a little bit better. So it obviously bulks out the bottom. The stand that comes with it is this kind of solid metal stand. It feels really well made. And then on the back of it, you've got your two inputs and your power supply. So it takes a HDMI input or a DisplayPort input. And so this is just my MacBook Pro on my massive screen, and it's just a really nice screen. It's very bright. If you come around to the back here, you've got these buttons which are bringing up things like the menu, and that means you can do things like adjust the brightness, because this thing is incredibly bright, so I have dimmed it quite a lot. And there's also a blue light mode, which is particularly good just on your eyes, particularly later on in the day, but maybe throughout the day, just to protect your eyes when using such a big screen. And the stand as well also has a tilt feature, so you can tilt the monitor if you need to. And just in case you're wondering what the thing is at the top, that isn't part of the monitor. That is something I've picked up just to use my MagSafe on my iPhone 12, so I can use that as a webcam, and I'm going to make a different video about that as well. So this is the Lenovo 31.5-inch curved monitor. I'm going to make a proper review in about a week's time after using it, and that'll be up on this channel as well. So do make sure you like this channel and subscribe. If you're ready to dive straight in and pick one up, then I've put a link below as well.